Today we are comparing two very popular website builder, Wix and Squarespace. If you want to build a website without coding, these two platforms often appear at the top of the list. Both tools promises beautiful website, easy editing and built-in business feature, but many beginners get confused about which one they should choose. In this video, I will compare Wix and the Squarespace in a simple way so you can understand which platform may be better option for your website. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and tools for your business and online projects. Today, we are comparing Wix and Squarespace to website builders that allow you to create professional websites without technical skills. I also placed the helpful links in the description where you can try these platforms and check the available offers. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also don't forget to use the link from description. By using those links, any available discount or special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's compare Wix and Squarespace in a simple way. First, understand what these platforms do. Both Wix and Squarespace are website builders. This means they provide hosting, design template, and editing tools in one place. Instead of buying hosting and installing software separately, you can create and publish your website directly from the platform. One big difference between these two platforms is the editing experience. Wix is known for its flexible drag and drop editor. You can move elements like text, images, and buttons anywhere on the page. This gives beginners a lot of creative freedom when designing their websites. Squarespace also has the drag and drop system, but it works inside a structured grid layout. This keeps designs organized and professional, but it gives slightly less freedom compared to Wix. Another important factor is template and design style. Wix provides a very large template library with hundreds of designs for different industries. This makes it easier to find a starting design for almost any type of website. Squarespace offers fewer templates, but they are known for clean and modern design quality, which is many photographers, designers, and creative business prefer. Pricing is another area where users often compare these tools. Wix offers a free plan that allows you to build and publish a website, although it includes the platform branding and limited features. Squarespace does not have a permanent free plan, but it usually offers a free trial so you can test the platform before paying. Paid plans for both platforms unlock the features like custom domains, analytics, and online store capabilities. Now let's talk about the features and integration. Wix has a large app marketplace with hundreds of integrations that allow you to add extra functionality to your website. These apps can help with marketing, booking system, analytics, and many other features. Squarespace has the fewer extensions, but the integrations it provides are carefully selected and designed to work smoothly with the platform. E-commerce features are also important if you want to sell products online. Both platforms allow you to create online store, manage products, and accept payment. Wix supports a large number of payment gateway and store features, which can make it more flexible for different types of online businesses. Squarespace also offers the strong e-commerce tools, especially for the small stores or creators who are selling digital products and services. Another area to consider is the ease of use. Wix is usually considered easier for beginners because it has flexible editor and automatic saving features. Squarespace is still beginner friendly, but its structured editing style can require a little more learning at the beginning. So in simple words, Wix is a great option if you want maximum flexibility, a large template library, and many integrations to expand your website. Squarespace is a great option if you prefer clean design, structured layout, and more polished visual style right out of the box. That's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more simple tool reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to use the link from description, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.